What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing a trade recap, another trade recap for you guys. So I took 3 trades today. I won 2 of them, lost 1. Overall, I bagged a 6R, so I ended up making $12,000 minus $3,000, $10,000 today. So I'm going to start with the gold recap. So this is what I seen going into the day. So this is Asia session. So I don't trade Asia, I only trade London and New York. So this candle here is Asia session basically. So I marked out the high and low of Asia. I was waiting for a key level, which is the fair value gap right here. Drop to the 15-minute time frame. And I was waiting for the low to get taken. And I was also, right here. The low of Asia got taken and it entered the fair value gap. And then it just went straight up. I was going to long it right here, but I was thinking, okay, I would like to see it retrace deeper into it because it barely touched it. So I was waiting, and then I seen this big fat candle here. So my first entry, I decided to go short even though it was against my bias. It was a dumb trade. So I went here hoping for a 1 to 3. Never happened. I could tell right here when this fair value gap got inverse, then I realized I was on the wrong side of the market. So I went with my original bias and I decided to just go long off the inverse, because that was exactly what I was gonna do. I don't know, emotions. So I went here, tagged in a 1 to 3 is what I targeted. And then if we play it off, it hit, and I probably should have held, because if I did hold, that would have been a 1 to 5. And I do think the aim is the highs up here, because there's a high on the daily chart. If I drop to the daily, this swing high, I think that's the target. So I'm bullish on gold. So those were the 2 trades I took on gold. Now I'm going to show you guys the Nasdaq trade. So yeah, this is it here. I'm going to go from daily time frame. I always start on the daily time frame. Marked out previous day high, previous day low. Then I went to the 4-hour. This is what I seen when I started the day. So I'm gonna put it back to Asia session. So this is what I seen on Asia. So on the 4-hour, I was looking at this fair value gap, waiting to see if it's gonna be respected, because we are in a 4-hour fair value gap. So I dropped to the 1-hour. We have Asia here. It basically consolidated. So I pressed play. I was just seeing what was happening. Then I noticed this right here. So this candle and this candle here, the white one, it took the low of the left candle. But on ES, let me get it up for you. I'm gonna go to ES right now. ESU, yeah. So if we go to the 1-hour chart on ES, if you look at that exact same 2 candles, it didn't take the low on ES, but it took the low on Nasdaq. So this SMT was a signal for me to buy. I then dropped to the 15-minute time frame, and what I seen was a CSD right here, or bullish engulfing candle. So once I seen this candle engulf this black one, I went long instantly. Right here, I put my stop loss here, and I was targeting here, but honestly, I just ended up, I don't know why, I just ended up selling here at the fair value gap for 1 to 3, because I always aim for 1 to 3, and this was my 3 trades. But as you know, if I did hold a bit longer, it probably would have been a 1 to 4. Yeah, it would have been a 1 to 4, but yeah. So those were the 3 trades I took today. I'm gonna be uploading daily trade recaps for you guys, so you guys understand why I'm taking the trades, what I'm doing. So make sure to like and subscribe and join my Instagram, because I do post trades on there before I actually take them. So if you're following my Instagram, you'll get all these trades for free. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Adios.